it's just before 1 o'clock. So this is the 4th hour. And how many minutes? I would say 54 will be right here. So I'll make about 50.
51?
45, 50, about 52. It's about 52. So that is, wait, don't talk while I'm talking. You done? Submit. So for the 4th hour and 52 minutes. Now, let's do this. 168 miles while 134. How would you do that? Stop. We have an outburst. I saw Jesse's hand. What you do?
Put 134 under the 158.
Okay, you go ahead and do that. All right, now. What we get next? We start with ones. What we have?
We got 8 minus 4.
What is it?
4.
Okay. Let's go to the next place. What's the next place?
6 minus 3.
What's the next? I said place. 10. All right, what do we do there?
6 minus 3 equals 3.
Sure does. What do we do next?
You go to the 1 place. You go to the 100 place and 1 minus 1.
All right, now you be quiet and hear other people. You go to the 100 place. What you have?
1 minus 1 equals 0.
0.
So that's 34.
34. That's it. In the word problem, Mama earned $20 doing chores. She went to the movie and bought a ticket for $9 and popcorn for $7. How much money does Monica have left? So, let's get the visual. What's happening? Somebody other than you, somebody here at Drake.
20. You can do 20 minus 9.
20 minus white, take 20 minus 9.
Because it said she brought a ticket popcorn for $9.
So you get the visual according to the solve three chart. Is when you buy something, what are you doing?
You take it away.
You take it away. You give it.
You taking away money.
And it goes for you giving money away.
Right, for something in exchange. So that's subtraction. So that'll be 20 minus 9. What will we do next? What?
You could do 20 minus 7.
Okay, so we did 20 minus 9. Now, what we do up to 20? So let's do that. 20 minus 9. What's that equal? What we got to do? We got to regroup.
You can't technically nothing from 0.
Right.
You
You go to the 10.
That's 1.
And you at least 1. You bring
And
that
then
1.
becomes 10.
And bring that 10 over. Now we can subtract.
10
What you got?
minus 9 is 1.
10 minus 9 is 1. What do you do next?
Bring the 1
And
down.
there's nothing in the 1 and there's nothing, so you don't go bring it out in 1. You bring it
So it's 11. Are we done?
No.
So stop. You be quiet, Jerry. I want somebody from table 4 to tell me what we do next. What we left to do? What we got, huh?
11 take away.
Oh,
11 minus 7.
11 minus 7. What minus 7?
No! Because it's 20 minus 9. So,
Okay, 20 minus 9.
the answer is 11, then we go, because we ain't stopping, then put minus, then put 7.
Hey, you on it today? You must be in your weeds this morning. Okay, yeah, you did get on it. All right, now. All right, minus what? 7. What did we do?
We go to those 10 places.
10 place?
The one.
Y'all start down on the what?
No.
You can't get your
Yeah.
Y'all start down on the what?
One.
All right, so let's do that. What do we do?
You gotta
We
take away.
got to protect 1 from 7.
Okay, we take 1 from 7?
No.
What we gotta do?
We got to go to
All right,
10.
stop. Y'all get a little wild and crazy. Everybody just yelling out. 7. Haven't heard from you yet. What we gotta do?
We reduce to the 10th place.
Go to the 10 place. What we do on the 10?
We
table 3, help out.
You put the one pick in the one place, and then
So you cross out the 1 and 10. That leaves what? How many 10?
0.
Alright, what we do next?
then you bring the one up.
That's 110. You bring it over.
Then you bring that one up.
And you bring this 1. Plus that 10 is what? You bring that 1 up, that's 11. Now, what's the difference? What's the difference? What's the difference? Huh?
It's 4.
It's the
Difference is what?
It's a subtraction
Answer the subtraction problem. I didn't get y'all this morning. Y'all forgot what that was. Glad you remember now. With my screen. Alright, hold on. It is frozen. Alright, anyway, we're done with math for today. So it is, how much money does she have left? $4 what? $4. Alright, put that up. Make sure your name's on the front of these, so tomorrow when we do this thing, we already had your name on it. I know some of y'all want to do it tomorrow. Put your name, first and last name on it now. Yes, sir. You got your Powerade, drink that. We're not complaining, just move around the classroom. Oh, do you have our first? Yes, Jay.
Can we go to rest tomorrow?
Were you absent? I told you to do that while we were setting up, so you can do it tomorrow. Tomorrow we're going to do the quiz assessment on the back. All right, knock out to get to 3, but 4. Everybody should be still, facing this way. Eyes, knees facing this way. Nothing in hands. 10, 9, 8. You interrupted me. 7, 6, 5, 4. Oh man, this thing is not acting up. There you go. I'll maybe get on video, take my computer acting up and freezing up, and so that you can finally get me a new computer. I don't even have touch screen. And when you win a treat, you can eat it, man, sweetie. All right, now. Oh, I still hear see movement. And Miss Battle, you Miss Battle student, we're still in here, okay? Put your headphones in and get on iReady or whatever you're supposed to be on. Doing what? Do iReady math now. All right, I still hear see movement. Miss Single's my witness. Everybody should be still. Jay, Jaya, it's still, it's done. All right. What we're working on today is something we started working on this week, and we're continuing it. Starting work on MD5. That is recognized error as an attribute. We went over that word yesterday for the power of the week. Attribute. And the attribute of plane figures. To understand the concept of area measurement. Attribute means a feature of. Who can tell me what a plane figure is? Who remember? Somebody older than you. What? What? Oh, I gotta pass these out too. I don't think y'all need these. You know, but yeah. No. This is a plane figure right here. Right. You're gonna measure length and width. Y'all gotta work again together, partners. Just get out and break the stuff out, but you still can use these right here. Don't touch. Leave it alone. You don't need it. You've been doing what you're doing all week. Y'all gonna work together. All right. So we're gonna recognize our area as attribute of plane figures. Area as attribute of plane figures. The attribute area, length times width equals area. And the way I do it, 2 times 6. When I measure room, when I build houses, when I put in cars or whatever steps I've done in the past, I just measure length times width. But you don't always have the little individual square, whether it's square foot, square inches, square centimeters, square meters. You don't always have that. So we've done it both ways. But length times width equals area. That's an attribute, Jalen. Still this way. Knees this way. So that's an attribute of a plane figure. You can measure length and you can measure width. Now, another thing we're going to do is measure areas by counting the unit squares. And that's what we've done. We've counted 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. We've done it that way. But today, what we're going to be able to answer by the end of this lesson is how do you recognize an attribute of plane figures and show that I understand the concept of area measurement. Vocabulary you already got? All right, now, we did a problem similar to this yesterday, especially those small group who I work with. I have an area shaded in, and I see this area here is shaded in identical. But I need to find the total area of this L shape and this L shape here. So, as I'm thinking, I'm looking at the formula used, length times width equals area. So I go length times width, but this is not the whole width. What am I going to do? That's what I need to figure out. So watch me go through this and figure it out. And you all can work along with me silently as I work this out. So I see I have a length of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I can go, this is 6, and let's say this is feet, square feet. And each one of these is a square foot. It's 1 foot that way, 1 foot that way. I hear and I see movement, I hear talking. That's a no-no. Knees this way. Feet on the floor. I shouldn't have to be doing this. This is, each one of these squares is a square SQ foot. Now, I see the length, let's say this is, across is 1 foot. So I've started here. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That is 6 feet across. And I look at this and I go, width is 4. No, because part of this is missing. What I can do is I can segment or separate. So I can separate this way, and that way I have 2 rectangular or square figures. So I can go from here to that line where I segmented or separated, and that's 1, 2. The width here is 2 feet. So I know this area here is 6 by 2. And the total square footage of this is 12. Now, I just have to solve for that. So I look here, I measure length, 1, 2, and I'm writing my unit, this is feet, and this is 1, 2, the width is 2 feet. So the total, so I have, this is 2 times 2 equals, stop, what happens when I do?
Listen.
Right, unless you have a question. 2 times 2 equals what? 4. So this is 4 square feet. And this is 12 square feet. Now, what I was thinking, what I was wondering, suppose I had segmented or separated this down this way. If I had made 2 rectangles with a rectangle square, I had segmented or separated down this way. So let's see, and I'm pretty sure I will get the same total area. So let me see. This is 1, 2, 3, 4 feet. So from here to there is 4 feet. I hit north, Jayla. Get a clean that you need. Hurry up. And I have width of 1, 2. 2 feet. So here I have 2 feet times 4 equals 8 square feet. And this is 4. This is 8. Now, I still got to solve for this. So, let me go length. 1, 2, that's 2 feet. And let me go width. That's 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 feet. Now, I'm thinking I'm going to get the same total square feet because both of these shapes are identical. And what I'm trying to figure out is the way I segment them makes a difference or not. So I have 2 times 4 equals what? 8. Yeah, and I thought I had written 16. All right, so I have 2 times 4. 2 times 4 equals 8. 8 plus 8 equals 16. I add these two together. 8 plus 8 equals 16 square feet. And I thought I had done the total for when I did it on that way. And 12 plus 4 equals 16. 16, so the total is 16 square feet. So regardless of which way I segmented, I got 16 square feet. Now, the standard also says, well, the secondary standard says we can do it, we're gonna do it by counting the squares. So here I have the squares. Let's count by 2. And let me mark as I count that way. I'm going to double count. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. Even counting the square, I got 16 square feet. So there's more than one way to solve this problem. And that's where it is for math. You can solve more math problem more than one way. So let's do this right here too. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. Either way it goes, I got 16 square feet. Okay? Okay?
Okay.
All right, now let's go to the next slide. I gave you a printout. What we're doing next. The printout I gave you, yeah, the printout, hold it up, Rita. I gave you that. That's the we do. All right. Oh, let me erase. It would help if I erase. All right, now. So some of you wrote on your board, so tell my count back to get to 4. We'll free, hands still, eyes this way. 10, 9, now think of your hands out. 7, 6, 5, 4. Everybody should already face this way. 3, 2, and Jai, nobody, someone else should have to be doing that for you. You can stay engaged, okay? Now, look at this shape here. Is that an irregular shape?
No.
Yeah. It's not just, what I mean, is it a straight square?
No.
Is it a rectangle?
Yes.
So it's an irregular shape. So what I want y'all to do, and put my mask on, I'm gonna come around, and let's see how would you all segment that, okay? Then I'm gonna let y'all see what we did. All right, go ahead, so segment it. Get it all clean and clear. You got the paper, you use the paper, we got print, so you wouldn't have to draw it. Gave you the paper so you would not have to draw it. How would you say that? So tell me, what we gonna do? What we gonna do? Number 3. What did I do? Okay, but what did I do first? All right, y'all got a chance to look at it. I don't see. Yeah. First of all, why y'all arguing? All right. How could we? First of all, what's the first step we gotta do?
We gotta look at how we did. We gotta count it. Now we gotta line it. Look at the area.
What's the word that I use?
Visual.
Huh? Well, you didn't visualize the word problem, but what did I do in the first thing we did? What did I do to both those two irregular shapes we had? You read the word
You put 6 times.
Segment. She tried to say segment. How are we gonna segment or separate that?
Oh, you gotta put a line.
Come show me. Come show me.
You gotta put that line in the middle.
Okay. How are we gonna do it?
Oh, we have to do that. We have to put it
Stop. They can still go. Remember the other shape I showed you? There were 2 different ways we could do it. Let me see. Come here, Marita. So what are we gonna do? Huh? Drake, what you gotta do? Let me see. Alright. That was easy. So you separate segment. Alright, stop. So now that we segmented, now, got a question.
What's up?
Could I have segmented it that way?
No.
Stop. Once they stop, we stop. Could I have segmented it this way? I stop. Thumbs up for yes, thumbs down for no. Okay, everybody say no. I could have. I just like the other shape that I just did. Just like the other shape, I had two identical shapes. I separated one across that way, I did the other down. It still would get the same total square area. So, but we're just going to do it this way. All right, so Drake said we segmented here. So we have this rectangle, that rectangle. How we find the area? How we find? Stop! Am I still talking?
Yes.
Do you interrupt me while I'm speaking?
No, sir.
No. Now, how do I find the area of this section here? How do I find it? Charlie.
You count by 3 5 times.
You count by 3, so you're doing the Ray way, okay? And that would be where you're counting each square. 3. So you said 3 5 times. So what is the length of this? And let's say this is square feet. Square feet. What would the length of this be? What would the width of this be? What would the width of this be? 3. Why?
It's only 3 square feet.
It's 1, 2, 3.
What's on 3 square feet?
Now 3 feet. The length. Stop. Let me explain something. This is a square foot. This is the area. When you talk about square feet, you're talking about area. What? Stop. Don't write. Pay attention. When we're talking about length, if I took a yardstick and I would put this yardstick from here to there, it would show me 3 feet from here to there. Okay? That is 3 feet. Starting here, there'll be 0, 1, 2, 3. Square feet is this whole square. 1 foot this way and 1 foot that way. That would be a square foot. So, what is the length of that? Go. Get somebody.
5 feet.
5 feet.
5 feet.
Do everybody yell out?
No, only one person do it.
Right, 5 feet. I'm not writing 15. So 5 feet from here to there. What's the area? What's the area of this?
6, no.
Turn it up. Put the area. When you got it, give me a thumbs up. Turn it up. This section here. This section 3. The width is 3. The length is 5. What's that? What's that? Huh?
5 times 3.
What is it?
15.
So this is length. Listen, guys. The length is 5 times, and going back to this. Now I should have gone over this. Like this. Pay attention. I did this yesterday. Okay, Jayla. Over here, Jayla. And we went through this yesterday, and I should have gone into more detail this today. We got this rectangle here. Its width is 2 feet, its length is 6 feet. So we multiply the length times width, and that gives what? 12 square feet. So width times length, 2 times 6 is 12. So we got the length is 5, the width is 3. What does that equal? 15. 15 what?
Feet.
We told this whole area.
Feet. Square feet.
15 square feet. Now we gotta start for the other rectangle. Who can tell me the length? Well, what's the length? Look at it. Y'all look at it. You got your paper? Come on.
6. No.
That's the area, but I said length.
15.
The length.
2.
To what?
3 feet. 2 feet.
2 feet. From here to there is 2 feet.
2 feet.
What is the width?
3 feet. 3 feet. 3 feet.
So what is the area?
2 times 3 equals 6.
Equals 6. So this area is 6 feet, 6 square feet. And this is square 15 square feet. Alright, so using the formula for this, length equals 2 times 3 equals 6 square feet. Now what is the total? What is the total area? Who can tell me how we do that? Total area. What is the total area? You got to start first. What's the total area? You said this is 15. This area is 15 square feet. The area of this shape is 6 square feet. What's the total square feet?
2
The total
15 plus 15 plus 15 times
is not
6.
time.
15 plus 6. 15 plus 6.
What is it equal?
15. 21.
So,
Excuse me, Miss Brinstone, Mr. Brinstone,
yes.
can I have Carlos Buenrostro for early dismissal, please?
Okay, Carlos, put your stuff up.
Thank you.
Alright, so we have 15 square feet plus what? Jayla, I need you still. I need you to engage. I need eyes over here. 15 square feet plus what? 6 square feet. 15 square feet plus 6 square feet equals, you all said what? 21. 21 what? What unit?
Square
Square feet. So the total area of this whole entire shape is 21 square what feet? Now, Ms. Malone is not here today. And I don't think she has something nobody came to pick up earlier. That's Miss Singer. She's a math coach. All right, so go to the restroom. Whatever your name is, separate go. All right, so we're gonna do something. Look, we're gonna do the extra ticket in a minute. What, sweetie? I'm getting ready to tell you. Don't always do that, Jay. Then sit down, Jay. Did I say move, Jay? All right, now. Okay, whoops. All right, Miss Malone group. Would you all come over, please? The rest of you get on already, ma'am. See. No, just come on. Bring, guys, what y'all bring with math?
A whiteboard.
Right. Bring your whiteboard. What? Okay. Huh? Okay. So, Jayla, Zayden, Jakari, Jacoby, Jesse, Daniel, Ray, over here quickly. You already know where you are. Should already be over here. Let's go. Let's roll. Yeah. she's in here. That deal. Could you? Yeah. That's not exit there, but don't do the exit yet. Who is that? Zayden's in the restroom. They in the restroom. Okay. All right. So. All right. Yeah, come on over. All right. Put your name on it. Come on, don't run. That's the pencil you had earlier. Get a pencil from the group. Come on, we're wasting time. Get a move on it, Dre. Hurry up, Jari. Get your pencil. Dry ready, boy. Come on over. All right, guys. Now. Bring my phone.
You got my marker.
Don't worry about it. Just sit down. All right, now. We are wasting time. I know you have to go to the restroom, but you come back on a mission. I know don't y'all be going to Miss Malone. Grab that chair right there, Dre. Slide it over. Well, and I got this problem here too. You all can. I had these. What I do with them? I crank them. It might be on my desk. Just do it. I read it, man. But we work on the whole thing later. I have. All right, now. Word from subtraction. It says read. Oh, I hit you. Yeah. All right, word from. It says reading problem, write a number sentence to solve. Reading problem, write a number sentence to solve. Now, what we're doing, I want y'all to use that read problem solving strategy over there. First, ask what when I'm talking that you're paying attention to, what is the problem about? And next, you'll find out. You ask, what is the question? You're still over there. I will ask, what information do I need to solve? So I'm going to do the first, okay? Then we're going to do the others. Now, I don't have my pencil. Yeah. All right. Miss, I'm going to get number one. Miss Hua has 21 pigeons. I'm doing this. And 17 finches in an aviary. I know that an aviary is a bird sanctuary, place where you keep birds. Where'd you just come from? Oh, you're here to go to the restaurant. How many more pigeons does she have? Now, I'm using that 3-read strategy. Let's go with it. So, what's the problem about? Miss Hua has birds. He has 21 pigeons. So you getting a picture? Jayla, you're making too much noise. She has 21 pigeons. Giant. She has 21 pigeons and she has 17 finches. And both of those are types of birds. So what is the question? How many more pigeons does she have than finches? How would I solve that? I'm gonna solve that. This is what I'm doing. So you have 21 pigeon. I'm just gonna write P. And she has 17. I don't know where my board is. That's normally over here.
It's right there.
Oh, it's under my arm. Girl, thank you. 21 inches. I'm 21 pigeons. My P. And 17 finches. And so I gotta find out how many more pigeons are there than finches. So, what information I need to know? I need to know there's 21 pigeons and 17 finches. If I ain't gonna find how many more, that means I find the difference. How many more? And also I can use, I don't have my laser. Also I can use, look at the keyword, how many more? That's under subtraction words. I moved the anchor chart up. I put them up for you yesterday. So look at the pink one over there. I moved it over. It was down below. You see how many more? How many more subtraction words? So to find how many more, I will subtract. So I start in the 1. 17, 21 minus 17. I cannot.
You got 71. Oh. No, you got 1.
I cannot take 7 from 1. So that's regroup.
So
That's
you're gonna
1. How many of those? That's 11. Now, the difference between 7 and 11 is 4. And then I go over to the 1 way. 1 minus 1 is what? 0. So how many more does she have? 4. Now, it says write a number sentence to solve that problem. So to write a number sentence, I will write 21 minus 21 minus 17 equals 4. Go ahead. And if the ones who got the runny noses don't have your noses covered, keep the noses covered. When you get everybody sick, get a Kleenex, cover your nose, Jayla, when you're not blowing your nose. Get a Kleenex, cover your nose. 21 minus 17 is 4. What's the next one?
Number 2.
Yeah, number 2.
The
That meadow.
The meadow has
The metal.
the meadow 70 sheep, 61
Grays.
grays.
There.
There, how many
spaces?
name?
All right. So, what's the question? Let's get the
Uh,
video.
70,
What's the problem about?
70, subtract, how many more? So,
Stop. What's the problem about? What's the problem talking about? What's the problem talking about?
sheep,
Sheep. What about sheep?
they have 70 sheep.
Is it 7 sheep?
No, 61.
61 sheep. So stop. Let me read this for you all. Pay attention. The meadow holds 70 sheep. You know what a meadow is?
No.
What? Okay. Stop. Figure it out. Meadow. A grassy land, like a cow pen or a sheep. In this case, it is sheep. So you have an area fenced in, typically, that holds what? Sheep. So that's a meadow. So the meadow holds 70 sheep.
So,
How many sheep do they have?
7, no.
Look at the problem.
61 sheep.
Graze there. You know what graze is?
No.
Oh, remain is a subtractive problem.
Right, stop. But you know what graze is? Graze is it's not really, I mean, they eat grass there. They graze. Sheep eat grass. Just like cows, they eat grass. So the meadow holds 70 sheep, 61 graze there. That means there's 61.
Mine is 70.
Am I still, was I talking?
Nope. Yeah.
pull your mask over your nose. Over your nose too. Over your nose. All the way over. So, what are we visualizing? I had to say to help you all visualize. You all don't know what sheep and grazing and metals are. So, what are you visualizing? What's the problem about?
Sheep.
Sheep what?
Sheep metal.
Sheep and a what? Metal. So you get a picture of what? Sheep and a what?
Metal.
So you gotta do
7 subtract 61.
Why?
because it said
Stop. Everybody can't speak at the same time. He's talking.
is a subtraction problem.
Okay. So, yes, what is the question? The question is, how many spaces what remain? So how'd you find out how many spaces remain?
Put 70 minus 60, and that's
It's 60.
61.
no, yeah, 61.
Alright, what is it?
You can take 0 or
So-
something, so you would do.
You gotta redo.
That 7 become a 6.
Okay.
Then you do that 0, that becomes a 10.
Become a 10. What you have?
9.
6 minus 6 is 0. 0. 6 minus 6 is 0. You don't get nothing. It's 0
Good.
plus 9.
Let me read number 3 to help you all. Oh, wait. Hurry up. Did you write your number sentence? Alright, let's go to number 3. Everybody still. Eyes on me. Hands flat. Hold on. You should read it whenever I was writing. You should interrupt me. Alright. Bahar has 53 cherry trees. 24 are saplings. And it says in parentheses, that bracket means, it tell you what it means. Saplings are young trees. How many grown trees does Bahar have? So Bahar has 53 cherry trees. Hold it, keep it over your nose. Bahar has 53 cherry trees and 24 saplings, which are young trees. How many grown trees does Bahar have?
So you
What?
put
So you're using three read strategy. What are you visioning? What you get a picture of in your mind?
53 cherries.
Cherry what?
a tree, cherry tree.
And what about the cherry tree?
The
24 are
24
young. Wait.
young trees. The 24 young trees.
24 saplings of young trees. So what you got? So that's what you visualizing. You got 53 cherry trees, 24 young trees. What is the question?
53
No, what is the question?
young trees. You talking about? Which one you doing?
Young trees.
Oh, I'm pointing to the wrong one. I'm gonna shut down. Yeah. What's the question?
How many?
How many does cherry trees?
That's what I said. It said,
No,
how,
how many-
let me help y'all read. How many grown trees does Bahar have? So, what is the question?
How many? This one? Yes. How many?
How many what? How many grown trees does he what? Have? Guys, this shouldn't be this difficult. So what else did I need to use to solve? Huh? Subtract what? How do you know subtract? So what?
Subtract.
Stop. Am I talking? What information, what information you need to know to solve a problem? You gotta look at the word problem, you gotta look at the word problem, you gotta look at the word problem, you gotta look at the word problem.
53, 24.
You got
That's what, how many
so,
grown
no,
trees?
21. No.
53, minus 24.
17.
But see, that's why I'm working on addressing the question. Listen to what I say. That's why I'm talking about ELA. You all are quick to say stuff, but you're not listening to the question. What did I say? What information does he need to solve the problem? What information does he need to solve the problem?
How many
How many grown and what else?
how many young trees?
How many grown trees and how many what?
Young trees. How many grown trees?
So how do I solve now?
You put 21. No.
You on the wrong problem.
No.
We on this one right here. Right.
So 53. Yeah. Take away 24.
That's it.
So you can't take away 30.
He said 53, take away 24. That is correct.
You can't take away 3 from 4 from
Okay, so you got what?
You gotta
the 4, and that 3 becomes a 3.
So you gotta regroup. Today. Don't be one on your person. Did you feel bad, Daddy, or something?
And the 5 become 4.
No.
Yep.
Oh, yeah.
5
The
times
3
4.
become
13.
Okay, that is
So-
correct.
You
Now, what you got is wrong.
take away 5.
13 take
No,
away
take away.
4.
Oh, yeah, you're right, that's right.
13 take away 4. Right. Hold up.
13 take away 4.
Well, they do it on the paper. You do it on your board. They do it on the paper.
Take away 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
What? 13, 12, 9.
Yeah.
No, 13. 11. You count up the 4.
So, the difference between 13 and 4 is what? He did it, right? Let's do this.
13,
Okay, this is how you do it.
13, 14, 15, 16, 17.
I ain't
No,
gonna
you
say-
added. No,
You
we
add,
should.
you add it, you add it, you add it.
Subtract. So 12.
Stop. Straight up, touch on 4. You start with a lot small number, you count to the what? Large number. He did it. She already got her, but I need you to stay, she already got the answer. I need you to stay focused and facing this way. Alright, let's do this. Look at me. We have 4 and we count it up to find the difference 4 and 13. Let's start, we're gonna start at 4 and we'll count up to what?
13.
Alright. 4. 4.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14.
Wait.
13.
13. 13.
Stop at
Why don't you go to 14? We're going to 13. So that is what? 9.
13. He said 13.
Alright, what do we do next? This is the last
4
problem.
take away 2 equals 22.
Huh?
4 take away 2 equals 2.
Equals 29. This equals 29.
Yeah, 4 take away 2 is 2. That's what? So it's 29. Give me those papers back. Make sure your name is on it. You know, I read it.
We have to get over our reading.
Give me. Come on.
There you go.
Stuff, sit down. Come on. All right, the other group, come Yes. Thanks for asking what I was just doing. Now, what, baby? We're gonna do those when I come back to you all.
Wait a minute. Stop. Why am I red?
We're not, don't throw, it's not laminated. I had some of these, I might have gotten rid of them. Let's use these, but don't write on these. Alright? Yesterday we were doing 10 more, 15 less, right? Nobody else can interrupt me again when I'm in group. Go. Alright. Now. Where's 10 more? What's 10 less? I got your mark. We were working on this yesterday. See, y'all got these too. Everybody's a big guy. 76. Turn it over. But some of y'all didn't quite get it yesterday. Boy, you clear to red. I said, nobody else interrupt me again. You don't interrupt me in group. All right. Stop. So. Yeah. All right. So, let me show you nose try. Stop. Did I say stop? Look at me. Look at this chart. Look at your chart. Look at that. Look at your height chart. Fine. 76. Now, let me show you something. Let me see. All right, Natalie. What do you notice about this pattern? I have 1, then I have 11, 21, 31, 41. What?
Every row starting by 1. You count by 10.
Each time I go down, I'm going down by 1, 10. Let's look at this. 5. What started 15? 15. Look at 25.
55. You want
What will be next?
100.
105.
Oh, you want
The one, stop. Remember I'm trying to tell you this, the one place stays the what? Same. The only thing you're doing, you're adding to the tens place 1. Or you're subtracting 1 from the tens place. Well, young man. Okay, just sit there. Okay? You'll be fine. We're getting ready to go home in a minute. So, let's look at this. We have 96. We go up, what? On your eyes here. We at 96. We're 96. We go up 1. What? That's what?
86, 76, 66, 56, 46, 36, 26, 16.
So stop. Each time I go up, what am I doing?
Subtract.
Right here. Did the ones ever change? What digit? We got 96. Which digit is in that 96? Somebody got my marker, lifted up marker and twisted tip in. 96. What's in the one place?
6.
What digit in the tens place?
9.
So that's 10 and that's 1. When you're going up and down by 10, The one staying is what?
7.
What do we add or subtract from?
We subtracted 9 from 6.
You subtracting 10 from 96. You adding 10 to 96.
So that's all you're going to add in 110. One. Let me show you place value.
You get it.
Count out nine of those.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
All right.
They all have their own.
And I have 6 more. Are you and I ready? Are you and I ready?
Those are wood. They're wood.
These are wood. These are old.
That's 7.
You pulled
Yeah.
7.
Oh yeah, I sure did. Thank you. So let me show you this way. Eyes this way. How many tens do I have?
9.
I'm trying to write it for now. I'm gonna write it down. Here's my phone. It's time to 9. And I have what? 6. Did I write my 6 back?
Yeah.
Alright, now if I take 110 away, what do I have now?
86.
86. If I take another 10 away, I have what?
76.
7.
Then you gonna have no.
And then if I take, did my ones ever change?
Yeah.
Did my ones ever change? I'm just taking away what? 10. It's 6, 2, 4, 6. Did I take anything away from 6 from the ones place? Did I take anything away from the ones place, Johnny?
Yeah.
What did I take away from the ones place, Johnny? These are 10, sweetie. This is one right here.
0.
I took 0 away from the ones. Still 6 what? 1. If I take one more away, what do I have now?
6.
6.
No.
66.
6.
No, 5.
6.
What?
That's 6, guys.
That's 3.
If I take one more away, now I have what?
56.
3.
I'm for real. I need you, sweet. I need you to think of process right now. Say it, okay? I need you to use it. Am I write my 5 back?
Yeah.
Okay, well, you know what I'm trying to write upside down. Now, because I won't disturb it. Now, if I add another, so I have 50,
I know.
56. If I add another 10, what am I doing? What do I-
66.
66.
10 more.
Alright, so let's do this quick before we go.
No, 6.
It's 6. So, let's do this. Mental math. Let's see if y'all finally got it.
Do we erase this one?
Erase it.
I know.
Give me 10 more 10 less. Turn it over when you got it. Turn it over when you got it. So everybody won't see it. 10 more 10 less.
I think I got
It's
it.
36. 10 more 10 less. You don't have it, sweetie. Everybody ready?
No.
Okay, turn it over. Let's see what you got.
Got it.
32.
Oh, I thought it was 6.
What you got here? I mean, how that's.
Who's ready?
How that's. Let's see what you got. Oh, you should do a mental math, girl. So I still got work with you 3. You all got it. Stop. Pay attention. If take, look at this, look at how this chart, this thing. If I take 1 away from 3 tens, that leaves what? 2.
32.
2.
I thought about 6.
2 10, the 1 6 same. If I add 1 more to the 10, I'm gonna have what?
46.
32.
46.
42 the same though. 42. Okay, we'll drop some more tomorrow.
I thought
No, it's not time. We got time.
that was what, 6?
Oh, you look upside. That was 32. You thought it was 6?
Yeah, for real.
Okay. All right. Now, everybody pause, turn our radio on. Go back to your seat, please. Help yourself. Are you supposed to walk here to me? Stop. Alright. Now stop. Everybody has to be where? Should be moving. Zay, do I see eyes? Sorry, you moving? I cut and pasted the exit ticket I gave out earlier. I see it was blurred. Hope I get a fresher copy from Miss Davis. So this is a clearer copy. It's the same exact thing. I still see movement. I mean, I don't have 100% of your attention. So let me cut these out. You're going to get 5 minutes to do these. Pushing that, this is the one you're going to turn into me. I hope she has enough. Not, did I say? But what group leaders come on? Yo. Yes. I'm in your group. I said this is a pure copy. I'm still short one, so I might not have to use here. Don't worry, just do these. Those you will put in your journal. All right. There, what's wrong? You can throw that away. One of y'all over there, I don't have enough of what she gave me. Two of y'all over there guy used the blurry copy. Okay, go ahead, fill that in. Heads up. No, it's individual. Cap on the marker. You have 5 minutes. Sharpen. All day, Drake. Yeah. Remember the strategy we use? Look at that, and that will help you. Okay. We're not doing that. Don't worry about covering happy faces. Find the area. I showed you 2 different ways you can find the area. You know?
Go back.
you're supposed to be dismissed from here.
Sorry, you're not talking.
Oh, I didn't know you had your stuff in here. Okay, just take it back to your seat and get packed up.
You can track that up. You want to keep it, help you study. Oh, 16. Okay, there you go. Yeah, clean up after you finish. What are these two drinking? You got all three up. Sorry, it's an individual, not asking a question. What? He put SQ, he put square, you was already, you was in the blur, so you couldn't see it. I got it. So that does say square, you good. Come on, guys. You have about 2 more minutes. Yes, ma'am. No, not right now. There you go, there you go. You don't have to go over there, sit down. Still waiting on. Somebody's already doing that. Is yours? Oh, they got work to do. Who am I still waiting on? Can I get yours there? Can I get yours? Okay. You can go the other way. We don't need to get Wait on yourself. You in the balance student? Zayda, we don't slam the chairs, okay?